everyone, welcome back to our series of numerology, wherein we are talking about the birth numbers from 1 till 9, and that too in English, of course. So thank you so much, first of all, for giving so much love, liking the videos, supporting and sharing the videos, of course. And we just expect and we hope that we are helping you to through telling all these characteristics and traits and about all the numbers, and you are able to resonate with all the qualities, if not all, definitely some. So let's begin with number 5 today. I know people are waiting who are number 5, and what will be our traits and what are our negative traits wherein we need to work upon. So number 5, who are number 5 people? People who are born under the dates 5, 14 and 23 of any month. So what do you have to do? Number 5 is definitely 5, and 14 you have to total it. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 23 is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So who rules number 5? Number 5 has been ruled by Mercury. Mercury is to be considered as prince in astrology and numerology, of course. So in the family of planets, if we talk about, so as this number comes in the middle of 9 numbers, so 9 numbers and 5th is in the middle, 4 numbers here, 4 numbers here. So every time having this kind of quality, that adjustment in the life, they are very adaptable and adjustment making kind of people. They can adjust in every situation. They can balance everything and everybody. Yes, so the characteristics that we talk about, they're very impressive personality, attract people like they are magnets, very good learners and can learn anything. They are very good at intellect. Yes, intelligent. So can get good ideas and very social, having a lot of friends across their society. They're very ambitious and determined, of course, and always focused. Sometimes they lose their focus, of course, and what they do, I will tell you, to make them stress-free. Enthusiastic, they're very enthusiastic, very honest and very talented. They can never say no to anybody for their work, for their help. So they take over responsibility and the burden themselves, which creates problems for themselves. People get used to of giving work to them, and they get used to getting that work always from them. So which is really very bad for them, actually. Very slow decision makers and do lot of work in rush. These are the kind of negative traits, because the positive ones are they're very active, they're very good learners, they're very focused, they're very kind of people, social people, and they attract people very nicely as a magnet. But when we talk about their negative traits, there are few people who are really get used to of taking everybody's responsibility on them, whether they can or they cannot. So they cannot say no. Firstly, they need to learn the art of saying no, which will actually help them making their lives better, because sometimes you don't have time, you can't do someone's work, and you're so already tired or maybe stuck in your own task. How can you take another's responsibility? But you always do that. So start saying no to the people. They will never get offended, or they will never get angry from you if they actually understand you. So first thing, and secondly, they sometimes make decisions in rush. They should not. Always stay focused. And sometimes becoming so stressed because of these kind of things, as I have told you, not saying no to other people, so their own tasks are there and they will take another's responsibility. They feel so burdened and so stressed. So what they do, sometimes they get into the extramarital affairs to make themselves stress-free. Don't do that. Don't do that at all. Try to focus in your own work and try to say no to others to make yourself burden free and stress free. Okay. And if we say sometimes, as I have told you, and the career and profession related things are there, so marketing and sales, really very good for them. They're very good communicators because very good speakers. They can share their ideas very nicely, so they can convince others as well. So marketing and sales is the best profession. And in the jobs, if we say mass communication, journalism, it's really good for them. Okay, so if we say the health areas wherein they need to work on, indigestion, paralysis, eye and headache issues, they should be very careful about these things. And if we say the lucky numbers, of course, 1, 5 and 9, these are the lucky numbers for them. And the lucky dates are 5, 14, 23, 18 and 9. These are the lucky dates for you. And if we say the color is green, of course, any shades of green you can use. All right. And the very most important tip is you just need to be very loyal to your relationships and just stay focused towards your work, towards your partner, towards your relationships. All right. So these were the kind of few traits about number 5. So if you can resonate with these traits anywhere with some, please do mention in the comment box. We will surely like it and we'll be more than happy to read that. All right, so thank you so much and have a very great day ahead.